Good morning students. Now again here we are starting with exercise 4.3 when the condition given is that two sides are given and three angles are given. Two sides and three angles are given. The first question is to construct a quadrilateral MORE where MO is given 6 cm, OR is given 4.5 cm, angle M given 60 degree, angle O given 105 degree and angle R given 105 degree. So the two angles, angle O and angle R are given 105 degree. So we will just draw a rough diagram. 105 degree is an obtuse angle greater than 90 degree. So 105 degree this side, this point will take as O, this point as R, and 105 degree this side also. This is only just a rough figure. 105 degree. Then MORE. So M must be here, the point M, and angle M is given 60 degree. 60 degree is an acute angle, so we'll just draw the 60 degree angle. 60 degree. So this type of quadrilateral will be there. MORE point, MO is given 6 cm and OR is given 4.5 cm. In another video I have given you the construction of some of the angles that you have already learned in class 6th. So let us start our construction. The construction is just you have to draw OR as 4.5 cm with the help of a scale. So draw OR 4.5 cm in the middle of your copy and name it as OR. Now at point O you have to construct 105 degree. So little bit you have to extend with the help of the dotted line. Both sides you have to extend, as at both the vertex you have to draw 105 degrees. So with the help of a scale you extend OR both sides. This point is point O and this point is point R. Now you have to construct 105 degree. At point R, just make a semicircular arc to construct 90 degree angle, 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc. Then extend this point, draw the arc like this and like this. Then join it with the point O, this point. Now for this one, this point of 90 degree and this point of 120 degree. This segment you have to bisect, so that this is 90 plus 15. So this segment you have to bisect. Keep here rounder, draw the arc, and then at this point and cut that previous arc. You will get the point of intersection as this point and this point. Now you have to join it and extend it. This is 105 degree. In the same manner you have to construct this side. This side also you have to construct in the same manner. Draw 90 degree arc. First of all, draw 90 degree arc. Then 60 degree arc, 120 degree arc, extend it, draw the arc in this way, and join with the help of dotted line. Now this point of intersection and this point of intersection, this part you have to bisect again. Use sharp pencil for your construction. This point and this point, and extend it. This way. Now here another 105 degrees there. OR we have taken 4.5 centimeter. Now given is MO. MO given 6 centimeter. So M point must be lying on this line. So you just measure 6 centimeter arc on the scale, 6 centimeter, and from this point O cut this 6 centimeter arc. This is the arc that we have cut, 6 centimeter arc. This is point M. Now at this point M you have to construct 60 degree, as the angle given here is 60 degree. So at point M you have to construct 60 degree angle. Draw the semicircular arc. For this you can just use a different color so that you may not get confused. You can just use a different color. So at this point M you have to construct a 60 degree angle. You can just turn your page likewise this, so that this line is in the base of this. At point M draw the semicircular arc like this, and then at this point again you have to draw the arc. Now this point and this point you have to join and extend it. Joining these 2 points and extend it. And turn it again. Now this point of intersection where this extended line intersects this line is the point E. So MORE. This is the complete quadrilateral that we want to construct. Again just you can see that this point MORE, where point O and R is having 105 degree measurement, and this angle is 60 degree. OM given 6 centimeter.